part of big renovation on this farmhouse from 1888. And real quick, I just want to walk you through the whole house. As you'll notice, we got a roof that's falling down above us, and someone did a pretty awesome renovation in the 1970s. So when it was built, this room and then what's directly above us upstairs was all that was here. And then sometime, I don't know when, they added the only bathroom to the house, which the ceiling caved in and everything else. And this laundry room was added on at a different time from the bathroom, and it's an old screen porch because there's concrete under it, found out. And then this is the second addition on the house, which is still probably around 1910 or 1920 that they renovated once again in the 70s. And we'll stick our head real quick into this, what used to be part of the farm, and they made it into like a big family room. And it's currently just raining through the ceiling in here. And you look up here, we got some nice just green carpet is squishy. We'll go upstairs real quick. And this is supposedly 3 bedrooms up here, but this one you walk into is a bedroom, and then here you walk into a second room. And then this to the right is the third supposed bedroom upstairs. So we're going to rework the floor plan a little bit. And this room and the one we just left are the 2 rooms that are from 1888. And then we decided we're not going to leave the shag carpet. And everything else is going to be changed up.